Let's start with a riddle. What goes, stops, waits, goes, stop, waits, and waits some more? The answer is traffic on a busy city road with lots of traffic signals. Have you ever had the same experience? You get past one traffic signal only to get stopped at the next red light. Well, the Florida Department of Transportation is introducing a new type of technology in Polk County called adaptive signal control. This technology will improve the efficiency of traffic signals and result in more go than stop or wait at traffic signals. I'm Tricia Bichette, and more details on this exciting technology are coming up on Polk Place. Joining us today on Polk Place is the Executive Director of the Polk Transportation Planning Organization, Mr. Tom Deerdorf. Tell me, what are some of the benefits of this technology?
Well, adaptive traffic signal control technology, it's kind of a mouthful, and I'm a transportation planner, and we're going to be fortunate enough to have a traffic engineer kind of explain the technology more to us. But I think the key word in adaptive signal control technology is adaptive. And you mentioned different experiences people may have at a traffic signal. Well, another experience you could maybe share with other people is maybe it's early in the morning, you're stopped at a red light, you look to your left, you look to your right, there's no traffic on either road. And that's a case where maybe the traffic signal, the timing for the traffic signal, the traffic signal timing was pre-timed. An engineer somewhere said, well, we think there's going to be traffic on the road to your left or your right. Sometimes they're right, maybe sometimes they're not right. That's an example of a pre-timed signal. There's other examples where maybe you come up to a light, and if you run over the sensor in the road, that's an actuated signal, and that may cause the signal to all of a sudden turn green. The beauty of this exciting new state-of-the-art technology is that adaptive signal control technology uses traffic sensors that may be quarter mile or maybe even a half mile back down the road from the traffic signal. It collects traffic data as far as what's all the traffic that's coming to the light. It analyzes that data in real time and then adjusts the signals, the signal timing. So if you have a lot of cars maybe going in the northbound direction, the sensors will say, well, maybe in 30 seconds that platoon of cars will be at the traffic signal. We need to give more green time to that northbound movement. So the benefit, or one of the benefits, or probably the biggest benefit of adaptive signal control technology is that it creates a smoother flow of traffic. It reduces traffic congestion, and if you look at the national literature, it says that it could improve the efficiency of traffic signals by maybe 10%, or in some cases, if you had like the pre-timed signals, the efficiency or the reduction in traffic congestion might be almost up to 50%.
Now, where are some of these new signals going to be set up?
Well, the first place where I think we may see the signals are here in Bartow. The Florida Department of Transportation, they have a project that's programmed in 2017, 2018. It's about 2 years out. And if you're in Bartow, Manor Drive is around where the first or second traffic light is as you come into Bartow. From that section of US 98 to US 17, which means if you come into Bartow, take a left turn and go all the way to US 17, that entire segment, which has probably 4 to 5 traffic signals, there's a project to employ adaptive signal control technology for that segment of US 98, State Road 60, US 17. But another key corridor that the Florida DOT is looking to employ this new technology is US 27. A lot of people who live on the east side of the county They travel US 27 for long stretches. They may travel from south of 60 or from State Road 60 to Interstate 4. Department of Transportation reported to the TPO board last month that they have money to employ this new technology for, I believe, 10 signals that are immediately south of Interstate 4. So there's two projects we know about, US 98 and US 27. But if you think about Polk County, you think about Lakeland or Winter Haven, there's a number of roads that have tightly spaced traffic signals. It could be Memorial Boulevard or South Florida Avenue 98 north in Lakeland. Or if you went to the Auburndale, Winter Haven area, you have Havendale Boulevard, US 17, First Street. So we're excited because there's a great potential for the application of this new technology within Polk County.
Okay, and why did the TPO choose US 98 South in Bartow and 27? Well,
the US 98 in Bartow project is really kind of a pilot project. That may be the first time that technology is implemented here in Polk County. US 27, that corridor was chosen because it is a heavily traveled corridor, and of all the corridors in Polk County, that corridor is projected to have more traffic congestion in the future. So it's going to be critical that we try to make the most of the existing capacity that's on US 27.
So this would be used instead of widening roads?
Yes. Yes, I think there's a number of benefits associated with this new adaptive signal control technology. But one of the biggest benefits, I believe, is that it's going to result in not only a time savings to the motoring public, but it's also going to allow us to maximize the capacity of the existing road system. And what that will mean in practical terms is that if you have a 4-lane road and you have better signal timing or better traffic progression, you may not need to widen that road to 6 lanes. If you use the example of US 27 from State Road 60 to Interstate 4, it's not practical to widen any arterial road like that from 6 to 8 lanes. You don't get a significant or appreciable increase in traffic capacity. So you're basically looking at either having 6 lanes there or maybe another parallel road. In the case of US 27, we're probably going to have 6 lanes on US 27 as the maximum number of lanes. So again, it's going to be crucial to say, if that's our maximum width of the road, the maximum number of lanes, how can we make it operate in the most efficient manner?
Well, Tom, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The Polk Transportation Planning Organization works with the Florida Department of Transportation and local governments to build a better, safer transportation system. Its vision is safe travel for all. They invite you to attend a community forum on adaptive traffic signal control technology. The forum will be held on March 31st at 4 p.m. in the Haines City Library. It's free to the public, and all are encouraged to attend. For more information, you can call 863-534-6709 or visit the TPO on their website at www.polktpo.com.